This vehicle is the Globus Go T45. It's named after a Soviet tank. No, it wasn't. It was just a joke of mine, but it'll help you to remember the the name of it. This let's have a look. Note the wide door that they provide. 668 centimeters long, 219 width. I think it's 220. That's between you and me. 266 height. Inner height 190. 76,000 euros. So it says up to 3, but the third one is an option. Lots of space as you come in. It's on the Ford Transit base. We have a window here with the mosquito net and the blackout blinds, as you do in all the windows. We've got 2 burners here. We've got a sink. We've got storage on this kitchen block, same kitchen block as they use in all vehicles like this. We've got extension here, back to down here. This is the fridge. At the rear we find German bed layout, lengthwise beds, singles that can be joined to make very big beds. This bit here comes out, it's placed there for space there for the ladder. Storage at the back. Each side has a window with a ledge above it, and in the middle we also have a skylight. Under the bed we'll find storage down here. Could benefit from a light. This is not the light for there, and that is the light for something else. So, and there's more storage on this side as well. The bathroom, very nice bathroom. 2 drainage points in the corners. There's a contoured shape to the shower tray. So I lift this up here. You see the this actually comes out. If you want to shower yourself like that, or if you're not shy, don't mind seeing yourself in the shower, you can do it like that. Got the mirror here. Storage up there. Oh, I wonder if they're real. And as you're coming out, you can see what the score is on your electricity and your water. And up here we've got 12 volts. If I press this one here, the light should go off. No, they don't. Yes, they do. You gotta press a bit harder. Oh, this thing here's on. The boiler's on. Yeah. I wonder if that's been done deliberately. I think I should turn it off, to be quite honest. Somebody's going to be either complaining about me turning it off, or they're going to be highly grateful that I did turn it off. In fact, I'm going to tell somebody that is a just to be on the safe side. Right, window in the door, 2 storage compartments there. Let's come around to the back. See this? There you have the storage. There you go, that's the Globus Go T45 at Caravan Salon, Düsseldorf. Thanks for watching. Upload every day 21:15. If you're interested in this, then this is the largest collection of campervans and motorhomes on YouTube. So if you're looking for something, you'll possibly find it here. For the moment, all the best from me, and bye for now.